outfits in there. No, I don't know what to do. Well, yeah, 'cause you let me in. And you went back in and shut the doors. You didn't lay it down, did you?
No.
He could be in here somewhere. I hope I get him up. No, we're gonna be screwed. We're gonna be sitting out here till about 1 o'clock tonight. I just tell you, I'm gonna drop the key back off in the morning. Well, I'm in here. You look for it, okay?
Okay.